So good morning guys, I am Jan Tonya Abalye and I am from Lambunaw, Panyas, Dalaget, and I am 17 years old, and now I will going to the school of Kasay National High School with my brother, and we're using my motorcycle here, Rusty Room Room. And the future I want to be a teacher and make a living and make businesses. So we're going now guys. So guys, we're going to school now guys. Look at the view guys. We're very high mountain. And it is so very cold here. I want a snow jacket. And the road is not a completely road. It's a rough road. It is open dangerous here. So guys, we're gonna slow down here because it is a curvada. Turn like U-turn. Oops. So guys, we're near from the school. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.